Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to build right half pyramid. So this is the classic coding problem that help to master in nested loop. So from start date we need to understand rows and columns. So let's start. So basically in the rows and columns, what the relation? First we say that this is a first row, this is a second row, this is a third row, this is a fourth, and this is a fifth row. And we also say that this is a first column, this is a second, this is a third column, fourth column, and this is a fifth column. So in the right half pyramid, the relationship between which is secret in rows and number of stars. We see that in the first row have only one star, in the second row have two star, in the third row have three star, and in the fourth row have four star, and in the fifth row have fifth star. So basically this is the secret relationship between the star and row, and that is the basic concept of the right half pyramids. So let's start to understand. First, we know that in the right half pyramid, we write that here. First, we use outer loop, and second, we use inner loop. The concept behind the right half pyramid, the how many times the outer loop run and how many times the inner loop run. So first, we talk about the outer loop. So in the outer loop, we know that the outer loop say that rows. We also say the outer loop. One second. In the outer loop we say rows, and the inner loop we say columns. Okay, so basically this is the first. We use outer loop and inner loop, and the outer loop run or iterate rows, and inner loop iterate with the columns. So we understand that the outer loop runs equal to rows time, and rows, how many rows? The rows will be 5 times. So we understand that the rows run equal 5. And the next thing, how many times the columns run? So the basically we understand that the rows are 5, so totally the columns also will be 5 according to the diagram. This is a basic, we understand that. So the column also iterate 5 times. So let's start in the code how we write the outer and inner loop, then understand and dry run the code. In this code we understand that first the outer loop initialize with I equal 1 and runs less than equal rows. So in this video we understand that the outer loop runs equal to rows, and the inner loop runs or iterate in equal to the columns. Means the inner loop run according to column and the outer loop run according to the rows. So in first we understand that the outer loop initialize with I equal 1 and I less than equal rows, and the second inner loop for integer j equal 1 and j less than and equal I. Here the important condition, j less than and equal I, because according to the rows number, and we say that according to the current row number we print the star. Means we see in the pyramid picture, the first row have only one star, second row have two star, third row have three stars. So basically this is the major concept behind this, the j less than and equal I. So we write and dry run the code. First we see that when the outer loop I equal 1, this is the outer loop, and then enter in the inner loop. So j equal 1, and then enter and print the star. So we say that print star. Then again update the j value. We understand in the nested loop video, first the inner loop updated and completed its iterate, then the outer loop updated. So first inner loop updated j plus plus, so means after updated the j we say that I equal 1 but j equal 2. This is thing. But when j equal 2 and check the condition, j less than equal I, so it give false. So break the inner loop and one line printed. So one line printed and break the inner loop and updated the outer loop. After updated the outer loop, the I will be 2 and j will be 1. We understand that in the nested loop problem is j equal 1 and enter print the start. So first we print the star and then updated the j value. So I equal 2 and j equal 2 after updated the j value, and it say that again print the j. In this I equal 2 and j equal 2, so this is the star print will be here. This is the basic thing. So j here printed. You know that here only I understand because I write in the line by line. And again j updated, so j will be, we write I equal 2 and j equal 3. But when check the condition it give false, so it's print one line and break the inner loop. And then again updated the I equal 3. So we say that here I equal 3 and j equals 1 and star print the star. Then again we say that j value is 2 after updated, so here we say that the star will be printed. Where j equal 3, yes, it's two condition also check, that is important point. So star will be 3. When j equal 4, so it give false and print a single line. Then again we say that I equal 4 because it's break the inner loop, so updated the outer loop. I equal 4 and j equal 1, 2, 3 and 4. So again 4 star will be printed. And I equal 5, so j runs 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5. So will we print 1 2 3 4 5. Why j printed 5 when the I 5? Because here the condition is j less than and equal I. That is the important condition. So according to this picture, we write a similar code and we see the dry run of the code gives similar output. But I know that here some confusion create the value according to the value the space will be, but in the VS code when we write the code the output will be similar or same, we say that. So in the VS code first we need the integer rows, because we in the starting of the video we say the secret relationship between the number of the rows and the number of the stars. So first we take input, also we take rows. So first we initialize rows equal 5 and write the outer loop integer I equal 1, I less than equal rows and I plus plus. And again we write the inner loop integer j equal 1, j less than equal I and j plus plus. And then print System.out.print. Here we print the star. System.out.println. This print the, we say that this is outer loop and we say that this is inner loop. Okay, so basically this is the code and let's start now. We run the code. So Java. So according to this output, this is bilkul same to the output of which I see in when we dry run the code. So basically this is the output of the rows equal 5 and the rows equal 10. So check the correct output print or not. So in the 10, when the rows equal 10, so yes, we see that the 10 rows have the, according to the rows the star will be printed. So basically this is the code of right half pyramid. So thank you everyone. I hope you all understand the right half pyramid, and in the next video we see more patterns in the Java with using nested loop. So thank you everyone.